Hello everyone. So I just want to make a quick update on my Garmin Instinct Solar watch, and as you can see, after 1.5 year of use, the strap has broken. So I wanted to replace this strap. So let's just quickly go ahead and I'll show you how to replace the strap. After that, we'll see what is the quality of the new strap. So to replace the strap, you need something pointed. So this is the SIM ejection device which we get with most of our mobiles. So just we have to push this pin down. You can see this pin is small pin is here. So we have to push this pin and the strap comes out. So this is how the strap comes out. So I'll quickly take the strap off, and then I have my new strap. I will replace the strap. So with the strap, I don't have the original packaging right now with me, but with the strap we get these two bands, and also we get new pins along. So if you lose one of your pin or damage your pins, so you are covered up there. So just the way we took the strap out, we can put it back again. So you can see I'll just put this pin inside, and this goes in one hole, and then you have to push this pin from with a finger and then slide it in. So it's pretty easy to fit. So next thing I wanted to talk about the quality of this strap. So as you can see, the strap is pretty much similar. The shape is almost same, not exactly same, but you can see at the bottom there is the curves are different. This has a slightly edgier curve, and this curve is slightly smooth. So it seems original product because I purchased it from Amazon, and the shop which I purchased on Amazon was a Garmin shop. So it was original Garmin shop from where I purchased this, and it was pretty expensive. I think for the for its purpose, in Indian rupees it was around 4,000 rupees, and in US dollars it was around $48. So I think it's like almost 1/10 of the cost of the watch. For me, I think it's quite expensive. That might not be the case for you, but certainly it is for me. So yeah, but I feel the quality is not what we get with the original watch. I felt that the original watch strap was much more rubbery, and this one is quite not that rubbery. Also, it's lighter than the original strap, but again the quality is not what I expected. The original watch strap was much better. So that is my review on the Garmin replacement strap, and do like the video if you find it useful.